This AEG integrated dishwasher saves you from spending time drying your dishware, making sure it's ready to be put away after the cycle. There's no need for drying up once your load is done. Air dry technology provides a handy assist when it comes to drying. It opens the door automatically at the end of the drying phase, circulating air inside the machine for a performance that's up to 3 times more effective than closed-door systems. You can be sure that every item comes out spotless, thanks to consistently effective results with Satellite Clean, which offers corner-to-corner spray coverage every time. Set the cycle to start when it suits you and make the most of a more convenient way to do the dishes with the delay start function.